Could a simple drink be the key to improving your vision? Sounds unbelievable, right? But let's dive a little deeper. Vision problems are a widespread issue, and maintaining eye health is more important than we often realize. Conventional treatments can be a heavy hit on the pocket, and sometimes they're not even that effective. But what if we told you there's an alternative? Natural remedies, specifically a certain delicious drink, could offer a world of benefits. If you're intrigued, keep watching as we unveil a delicious drink that could be the answer to your vision problems. Imagine sipping a delightful drink every morning and watching your vision improve. Sound too good to be true? Well, let me introduce you to a smoothie that does exactly that. A magical elixir made from spinach, carrots, and blueberries. Yes, you heard that right. Each ingredient is a powerhouse of nutrients that are known to boost eye health. Let's start with spinach. It's packed full of lutein and zeaxanthin, two nutrients that are crucial for maintaining healthy eyes and preventing vision loss. Next, we have carrots. Famous for being good for the eyes, they're rich in beta-carotene, a nutrient that our bodies convert into vitamin A, essential for good vision. And lastly, we have blueberries, the tiny fruits that are big on health benefits. They're packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect our eyes from harmful free radicals. Now let's get into how you can prepare this vision-boosting drink at home. Making this vision-boosting drink is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So let's get started. Step 1, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 large ripe avocado, half a cup of fresh blueberries, 2 handfuls of organic spinach, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a cup of almond milk. Each of these ingredients is packed with eye-healthy nutrients like vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Remember, the fresher and more organic the ingredients, the more nutrient-rich your drink will be. Step 2, wash and prepare your ingredients. Rinse your blueberries and spinach thoroughly under cold water to remove any dirt or residue. Cut your ripe avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop the creamy goodness into your blender. Step 3, blend it up. Add your washed spinach and blueberries into the blender, followed by the chia seeds. Then pour in your almond milk. You'll want to blend these ingredients until you achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. If it's too thick, feel free to add a little more almond milk. Now you might be wondering about the ratios. Well, there's no exact science to it, but a good rule of thumb is to aim for a balance of flavors. You don't want any one ingredient to overpower the others. Experiment and find what tastes best to you. Lastly, pour your delicious concoction into a glass, and voila! You've made yourself a vision-boosting drink that not only tastes great, but is also great for your eyes. Just a quick note though, this drink isn't a magic potion. It's a fantastic supplement to a balanced diet and regular eye checkups. So while it's packed with nutrients that support eye health, it's not designed to replace professional medical advice or treatment. And there you have it, your very own vision-boosting drink. But remember, this drink isn't a magic potion. Now, before you start sipping away, there are a few things you should know. This delightful drink we've conjured up is a natural booster for your vision, but it's not a magic potion. It's not meant to replace an eye doctor's professional advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Don't forget, regular eye checkups are pivotal to maintaining good vision. Also, this drink should be a part of a balanced diet, not a substitute. It's a supplement to your meals, not a meal in itself. Remember, your eye health, like all aspects of your health, requires a holistic approach. You need to take care of your overall health to keep your eyes in good condition. Remember, your health is in your hands. This drink is just a step towards a healthier lifestyle. If you've made it this far, we bet you're eager to try out this recipe. Concocting this vision-boosting drink at home is a fun and easy way to introduce more vitamins and antioxidants into your diet. And who knows, with regular consumption, your eye doctor might just be left scratching their head at your next checkup. We'd love to hear about your experiences, so do share your journey in the comments below. And remember, health and wellness are contagious. Pass it on. Share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from this natural remedy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more health tips and recipes. Until next time, stay healthy.